Hello. So, good morning, guys, and it's 9:13 right now, and Nifty is showing a current gap up of almost 136 points. So it is set to open somewhere near 23,250 or 260 levels, and this is the chart that I am currently following. So it's possible that you could have completed this correction, and then you are sort of ending this entire move as I discussed in yesterday's video, and then from there you're probably heading towards at least 24,000 in near term, but an intraday resistance appears to be somewhere near 22,000, 23,500, where a lot of call writers are standing, and a strong short covering can be expected once we go above 3,500. So at first, let's see if we really go towards 23,400 or not. And currently, the position runs into a loss of almost a lakh. And let's see, we still have around 20 more seconds to go. Hello, am I audible? Yes. 238, 234. And now the position shows me a loss of almost 60,000. The loss that it was showing yesterday was roughly 5 lakhs. But yeah, it has now currently stabilized, and I think now a further move could be expected once we cross above the a further move can be expected once we cross above the previous high that comes around 23,267. Thank you and stay tuned. Welcome back to the second update. So now what we did was we got this gap up, and then we dipped a bit, and the dip was almost of 250 to 23,100. So that dip was of almost 150 points, and now this is some clear classic impulsive move. This means that the trend has started, and now it is just going to head higher from here as well. The basic target which I'm getting right now on an intraday basis is, of course, 23,300. That is roughly 80-90 points higher from here. And actual target would be 23,374. And I have also taken some trades. I have bought 23,200 calls. Let me go to the order book. Firstly, I punched in a 23,200 calls at an average price of about 370, and the current price is almost 370, so it's a bit lower than that. And I've also bought 23,300 calls. All of these are June monthly expiry for an average price of about 312. And the future position is giving me about 50,000 rupees worth of profit. So it's really ended, and yesterday I was holding all of the positions for an average loss of about 5 odd lakhs, and now the positions have turned bullish, and now I'm currently up by almost 100 points. Not yet, but very close to 100 points. So the chart setup was really simple, that we did an impulsive move over here on an intraday basis. We dipped a bit, and then we're again starting an impulsive move. It looks as if tomorrow we might not go down, and the candlestick has to tell the same story. So if I were to remove all of this, then I could really see that there's a lot of indecision, and there's also rejection from lower levels as well. So when I see this kind of rejection from lower levels, then I am certain up to some point that this is really ending, and we are now going to see a move on the higher side. Tomorrow, at least I'm expecting a move of 200 to 250 points. Let's see what market does. So even if tomorrow it does another, let's say, 200 points of move, I'll make another 10 lakh rupees in this. Okay, I think that was it for the video. All in all, I am holding all of the long positions. I have also taken a few other option trades that I am holding. Those were, as I mentioned in a few hours back, those were 23,200 and 23,300 calls. All are of monthly expiry.